Anti-Semitism in America, haunting Jewish communities from coast to coast.
In Florida, witnesses said 5 people in ski masks shouted, "Kill the Jews."
And yet this is the one issue we keep coming back to.
Jews will not replace us!
Anti-Semitism, a major concern and nowadays even more relevant than one might think. A project, initiated by the Alfred Landecker Foundation and the FCI, aims to analyze what divides people and identify the reasons for social and political fragmentation and polarization. This project contains a panel research in the U.S., asking the participants about their general feeling about society, their concerns, and also Jews and their fit into American society. Analyzing the answers, a group of KIT students created a tool to properly visualize the development of anti-Semitism in the whole U.S. over the last year. They hypothesized that the more rural the environment of the citizens is, the stronger and more radical their political views develop, with an increased tendency towards extremist views, including anti-Semitism. To visualize this, a map was created showing all counties in the United States, with the colored regions representing data from the panel research. The intensity of the color symbolizes the anti-Semitism score that has been calculated using a few questions on the central topic of the research, which is each person's orientation towards anti-Semitism. By clicking the Start button, one can see the development over time. To get more information about each county, one can simply click on it. A pop-up window opens, providing details about the county score and background information. It shows key data including the county's name, the number of respondents in the current week in this specific county, its anti-Semitism score, and the level of urbanization. Beneath this brief description, there is a scale of well-being according to the participants' response, as well as the recent development of it and of anti-Semitism in this county. Furthermore, the following graph shows the absolute number of participants of the current week in comparison to their political preferences, party, and spectrum. Finally, pie charts are provided which illustrate the gender ratio and religious affiliation of the participants. To emphasize the significance of the correlation between density and hypothesis, a separate density map was created. To assure more data per selected region, the whole map can also be divided into states. At the end of the research, some astonishing results were obtained. Despite the initial hypothesis, the Pearson correlation value indicated only a weak relationship between the score and the population density. And even though the comparison between urban and rural areas was not as significant as expected, valuable insights can still be gained from the dataset.